Today, we will be answering another NEBOSH IGC1 question. Give the meaning of the term benchmarking. Benchmarking is a structured and ongoing process where an organization evaluates its processes or performance, such as safety outcomes, quality, cost, or speed, against its own past performance or the performance of similar organization in the industry. By doing this, the organization can identify performance gaps and establish realistic targets for improvement. Now, let's break down the three main types of benchmarking. The first type is internal benchmarking. This involves comparing the performance of different departments or sections within the same organization. The second type is external or competitive benchmarking. This involves comparing the organization's performance with that of other companies in the same industry. The third type is functional or generic benchmarking. This is broader in scope and involves comparing similar processes or practices with those from completely different industries.